barbecue.
Oh, what is up, America? What is up? Today is the 4th of July. It is America Day. Today, so look at me. I got my America stuff on. Got this. I don't know if you can see them. They're super short. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably not gonna keep this on all day because it's like really uncomfortable. But today is America Day, and we are doing some American stuff. We're gonna cook us up a pork butt today on the old smoker. And we're just gonna have some fun, gonna chill out, we're gonna drink a few cold brewskis and have some fun. So let's go. We gotta get this pork butt prepared. We gotta get the smoker started, and we're gonna have us some fun. Let's go. I wanted this to cook just a hair longer, but I'm running out of time for today. Fireworks should be starting soon. We gotta go. So, we are gonna start pulling this sucker. Alright everyone, that is it for me. I'm gonna finish pulling this sucker. We gotta get going to fireworks. So I'm gonna pull it super quick and get it back wrapped up and stuff so that way we can have it for lunches and stuff this week. But we gotta get going to fireworks. So, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at NewbieQ2020. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you get all the notifications. TikTok at NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. Yeah, that's right. I gotta tell you a story. I got another one that did pretty good. Another video did pretty good. I'm about to hit 200,000. Hopefully by the end of the night it'll be over 200,000 views on that video. My followers jumped up like crazy. I'm like 600-700 more followers again. So anyway, we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.